Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check and show you about abandoned cars, trucks in this area. Okay, so now I start checking from this side first. Airplane, this one is a cute airplane, everybody, cute airplane. How about this one? A transportation truck. Dump truck, mini dump truck. Super motorbike. This one is a super motorbike, pink color. Monster truck. Monster truck. How about this? A broken monster truck. A broken monster truck number 22. How about this one? Mini airplane. This one is a cute airplane. You can see a cute airplane, green color. How about this one? Everybody, this is a cement mixer. A broken cement mixer. Another monster truck. This one is a cute monster truck. Mini airplane. Another dump truck. This one is a nice dump truck. Monster truck. Monster truck number 33. How about this? A broken army truck. A broken army truck, everybody. A broken army car. It's not a truck, but it's a car. How about this one? Super motorbike. This one is a police super motorbike. A cute police super motorbike. Another super motorbike. My dream super motorbike. A bigger dump truck. As you can see, this one is a bigger petroleum truck. A bigger petroleum truck. Bigger petroleum truck. Everybody, so now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.